Gotta test his pull-out game.
My pull-out game is weak. God damn, who packaged these things? I hate pulling out.
Woo. It's video day. Trevor's gonna be on video.
We do a lot of fucking off on video day. Like, this video involved my couch in my office.
Oh God. Hi guys, it's Johnny Gilbert at Stainless Diesel, and today we're going to talk about our Duramax 5-blade Mafia turbos. This man right here standing next to me is our longtime salesman, Mr. Trevor LMM. He's been with us for 10 years, right there. It's a long time. He's our resident Duramax expert. He's our guy. Trevor pulls. He's been with us on a few race outings and things like that. And if you call here and have any questions about Duramax stuff, this is your guy.
All right, so with that, we have our LOI through LMM turbo. We also offer it for the LML platform. These are 63.5 millimeter. We call it our 63. They're 10 blade turbine wheels. It's the common 72.5 by 66.5 turbine wheel. Sizing wise and power wise works very well for drivability all the way around.
So what kind of injector would you recommend on something like this?
These are good to about 660 horsepower with this sizing. With that, I mean, really just depending on what year the truck is, just size appropriately. Honestly, I would suggest talking to whoever you're getting injectors from for your horsepower goal.
And then the turbos come with some install stuff.
Yeah, so we have install gaskets, everything basically you need for it. It will have a new vane position sensor with that. So then for your LOI through LMMs, there will be an adapter piece in there.
Nice. And it comes with some heat shield and one of those little Twizzlers. Look out.
With these, we do offer, well, they actually come with high flow vanes in them. With that, your exhaust braking is maintained to pretty much a stock level. So that is a big question, and it works very well. I have a version of these on my own truck, and it is every bit the same as stock braking.
You need that video. So these turbos, we have a range of years, and they start out at?
So your LOI is 04.5, up to LMM to 10 technically. Then you'll go into your LML specific, which would be like 10 up to
Depending on
16.
What? Yep. Depending on like what range of year of Duramax you have in those ranges, we definitely have our 5-blade Mafia units direct bolt-on for those years.
This is a drop-in replacement unit, so it is literally remove your factory one and put this one in place. Everything will bolt up as factory.
Yeah.
These work well from anywhere from just a mild upgrade for towing all the way up to if you want to pull work stock, hide from your buddies with some extra power, whatever you want to do.
Nice. Now, as far as like a turbo of this size, I mean, it'll work well with factory injectors, and then we sell S&S products as well. So like if we were going to recommend a smaller, a good entry level injector to match something like this, what would we typically go with?
Really anywhere from 30% up to 45, 60s.
That'd be a good match for this
depending,
turbo.
Yeah.
Yep. Good deal.
A lot of people obviously want to know, do they whistle? And yes, they are very loud. So not only the 10-blade turbine that is known for the sound, but you
high flow
add
vanes.
You add in the 5-blade compressor wheel, which everybody in the market
has a very, very unique sound.
It's distinct.
So on our 5-blade Mafia units, we cover a range of years, starting with this one.
These will be the 04.5 to 10 LMM. And then you'll go to the LML, which would be the 10 through 16.
Very nice. And then as far as like horsepower range, again, in that low to mid 600 range, really good drivability. And you can tow, I mean, what, 20,000 pound gooseneck trailer with this, no problem.
It works well for dropping in just as a mild upgrade all the way up to people making some power. If you want to pull work stock, works well on that.
Do some dirt drag racing,
right.
You know, all the good fun stuff.
Hide from your buddies a little bit with some power.
Yep.
The exhaust tone probably won't let you hide it that well, but
yeah.
With that, it is 63.5 millimeters, so it would plug the 2.5 if you are looking to pull work stock.
Good deal.
I just want to be like Len Miller and ride on a horse and shoot a gun like a cowboy.
I hope I got that.
Life would dream.
That's perfect.
Did you watch that video, Len?
No, not. Oh, the long time ago one?
No.
Is it more recent?
Yeah, they just made a new one for the Black Friday sale.
Oh, shit. I haven't seen it, but that was a good one that he did last year. Dang.
Howdy, folks. Cowboy Lynn here. We're out here on the range. We're looking to round up some deals for y'all for Black Friday. You know, I decided if I was gonna be a real cowboy, I gotta get myself a 6-shooter and I gotta get myself a steady steed. So we got a steady steed named Brandon. We're gonna go see what kind of deals we can hunt up for you. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. What do we got here? We got $5 off transmissions. That ain't right.
Oh, shit. That's a badass video. Lynn's a cowboy.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, guys, there you have it. That's our Duramax lineup right now, available at stainlessdiesel.com. And as always, you can email sales@stainlessdiesel.com with any questions, any information you're looking for on the Duramax stuff. Definitely call here and talk to Trevor because he's the Duramax man.
What do you want me to say?
You know what Thursday is, don't you, Trevor?
So, all right, depending on if you're on Snapchat or not, Thursday could mean another thing. But check out Trevor on Facebook because he does Selfie Thursday.
And I got a new shirt to wear.
Yeah, and he just
I
put
just
a
took
new
the
shirt
tags
on,
off.
so.
If you have shirts for me to wear, I could selfie it.
Yeah, and that's my phone ringing again.
Hear that?
Rookie, man. Straight rookie.
Just the owner.
I don't know.
Hey,
What's he
watch
want?
your mouth.
I don't know. I'll call him back. I just messed that up, didn't I?
You don't know anything else?
All right, I'll slow down. Let me slow down, man. That's my outtakes and shit.
You better take it back a notch.
I gotta back it down a notch, man. So too much coffee this morning, so I just gotta
Trevor,
You should have said, say my name.
look at him right now and go,
say my name, bitch.
For the outtake.
Oh, that's bad. Yeah. And the high flow vanes is definitely the secret to like make your truck sound like Bigfoot farting in a 50-gallon drum going down the road. I'm serious. That's what it gives it that noise, you know. The brah, you know what I'm talking about?
So, like, what makes a turbo whistle?
The shiny spinny thing that does all that.
Okay. Hey, Steve, can you assist?
What do you want me to do?
He needs an
I need
assist.
help with my nuts.